Hey traders, how's it going? Hopefully you guys having a nice steady day today, trying to stay awake. It is a sleepy market today, which is what we expected early on. Um, there's not much going on today. Last night in the overnight futures, they gave a key print. So you guys know how we love those prints. Last night was a very key print that should have happened today if we were going to see some type of continuation or some type of action, right? Any type of volatility or nothing. But no, today was actually ended up being a day where it was just quiet. So, and that was already given to us last night. Again, we get a lot of our information from the overnight hours from the overseas markets. So that gave us the clue today. It's going to be a nice quiet day. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with taking a break after having these wild markets that we've had recently. So the only key issue here, the key lesson today comes in from knowing to sit tight. This is where most traders go wrong, right? Days like this pop up, especially right in between volatile days like yesterday to tomorrow, Thursday, Friday that it's coming up, right? A lot of people give back some of their profits on days like today where things just settle in, get quiet. And that's what you want to avoid as a trader. How do you know to avoid that? By knowing ahead of time that you are going to have a slow day. Okay? So we did not take no trades today. There was only one opportunity that popped up following all of our analysis that we do, and we actually did not get filled on that. So we'll discuss that in the Apex video. But as far as the analysis, let's go ahead and do a quick recap. All right, here goes today's recap for the members. Posted here at 7:30. So right at market open, this is Mountain Standard Time. So we're 2 hours behind. SPY range today, 5/3/2022. Good morning, traders. Let's get right down to business. We have an active overnight session with the market leaving us some tidbits of clues. SPY futures in the overnight tried to continue the rally from yesterday, but were unable to sustain any form of a gap. That says form, but it's supposed to be form of a gap. In order to break the current cycle, ES managed to print 41.7425, which is not the best ideal case for the bulls. That should not have occurred last night if we were going to have any form of volatility today. But now that leaves the question, are we in store for one big rally that leaves everyone standing? And that's a cycle break. If you guys have been watching these videos, we discussed that in other videos about how those work. Today would have been a good day primed for a cycle break where we could have seen a massive rally, to 422, 424 on the SPY or so. But that did not occur. So we were dead on with the lullaby day. And it says there, SPY now leaves a question. We're big for a big rally. I read that part already. And then everyone's standing still like, wow, or is the market just going to go into a lullaby formation and go to sleep since the overnight print already occurred? We will use the ranges to guide us. Excuse me. Okay, and then the SPY range today, I put a space in between two and day. It was a long morning. Today is unique and we have a triple lower stack. Now this is unique. We don't see these too often. By our calculations and the systems we use. There's actually triple stack. So this will be a good one for you guys to put on your charts, keep and watch when we get back down there and see how the action reacts and how the closes react. We have a 410.47, 410.49. Yes, that's only 2 pennies. And yes, that matters. And we have a 410.64. Very unique setup there. You almost never, I can't say almost never, but you hardly or uncommonly see a triple stack like that for the systems that we trade, right? Our algorithmic systems. So, yes, they all matter, it says. And the top of the range is 415.12. SPY bulls will be looking to cause some pain for the bears and get prices above 417.06, knowing full well that they have the triple stack below. SPY bulls closing any 15-minute candle above, where 417.06 opens the door for a battle zone of 419.39. SPY bulls closing a 60-minute candle above 419.39 opens the door for a spike to and or through 422.33. Once again, and some market safety. Okay, let's go ahead and review. Slow, dead, choppy day today. Let me pull up the chart for you guys. There's the bear analysis. You can skim through that if you want. Pause the video. Otherwise, we'll go ahead and continue here. All right, here we go. So here's the 15-minute chart. Let me put that vertical up for you guys. There we go. Here's today's action. Actually opened up below, and hard morning here for a lot of traders. Okay, we have social scanners that we use. A lot of people got burned up today. And it's all just part of the planning, right? It's all just part of the market, how it works, how these numbers work. Okay, tough morning. You get the breakout. A lot of people look for continuations. We started to see a lot of options activity in here, buyers, and then it would turn short, then back long. A lot of people getting chewed up today. And it's just part of normal market action, right? If you are unaware of it, yes, it looks difficult. Yes, it looks choppy. But in reality, that is not the case. We actually went live in another room today, trying to help out and give knowledge and spread knowledge around to those who are in these markets. So if that was you, we were in the chat with you, RT Money. So we were over there in the chart with them and going through some of the analysis, going through some of this all in live action, right? How to see all this stuff forming, all this nasty, what looks to be nasty candles, nasty formations, quote unquote chop, right? It's not the case. There is sequences here, there is legs here, there's cycles here. And we were dead on with that in the live room uh, with RT Money today. So not too bad. It was kind of fun having a good discussion, spreading out some knowledge. So hopefully, RT, you got something out of it. And look where we ended up staying, just sideways like we discussed. Long period of consolidation, and it's still not done. Okay, but we should have a great rest of the afternoon here. We might catch a trade, might not. We'll see. And if not, tomorrow is Fed Day, so FOMC. We'll see what type of rate hikes. Go ahead and watch yesterday's video about the psychology aspect of what the Fed does. Very interesting topic there of discussion. So go ahead and watch that. Otherwise, like the video, comment below. Let us know what you guys want to see more of. And thank you guys for watching. We will see you in tomorrow's video recap. Later, guys.